Hi, my name is Phil and welcome to Festool TV UK. During this presentation we'll go through the necessary steps required during intermediate sanding to achieve fine finishing using the Festool system. Whenever a lacquer is applied or paint is applied, the surface of the material will have a tendency to raise, and this raising needs to be cut back using a fine, high quality abrasive. So when the lacquer is applied, depending on the porosity of the timber, that is the area that then needs to be cut back. And for this, using the Festool system, we use granite paper. We cut back with a 320 grit. The more coats that are applied, the finer the grit that we use to then cut the surface back. And we're always aiming to achieve a fine, high quality finish. So, on this board has a coat of lacquer, the grain has been raised, and that's a surface that you can feel when you rub your hand along it, and you can feel that it's rough. That roughness will also show through during the final finishing process. If each coat is cut back at the right stage, it then means that we achieve the finish, which is of a very, very high quality, but each stage needs to be followed. So we put this on our vacuum system. Press this down. So the sander we're going to be using is the ETS 150 with a multi-jet stream pad, and we can put our granite abrasive onto the base of the pad like so. And we use a plug-it hose, sorry. And the process for sanding, once the lacquer is on there, is to ensure that we come across the surface evenly and smoothly using the ETS sander, and then we go 90 degrees across the surface, and we're ensuring that each time we cover half of the previous section. And we just need to go lightly across the surface. So, with granite and the ETS sander with low vibration rating, we can achieve the intermediate steps to achieve a very, very high quality surface. Each time this is cut back, the finer the grade of paper that can be used. And once these have been achieved, it means that our spray process becomes economical and worthwhile. However, alternative methods of sanding are available, and we can achieve that with Festool by using the Lex 3 system. This is an air sander, and the advantage of using an air sander is that over a longer period of time there's less moving parts, so therefore it's economical to use an air sander during the process. With the Lex 3 generation, ergonomics really important. We can use this for vertical surfaces, for horizontal surfaces, and holding it on top. Very simple and easy to use. So sanding over a long period of time, low vibration, air sanders are something which should really be considered for industrial applications. So an ETS generally for workshop use, on-site use, perfect. If you're looking at industrial applications in a static environment, then a Lex 3. And the obvious advantages are the fact that with the air supply and the combined hose, which we now have from Festool, and it's literally a plug-and-play system. We attach the hose and click. So we have a combined air supply, and we also have combined extraction within the Lex 3 system. This can easily be attached to our extraction system, and we can use a module which we can adapt onto our extractor, and again we can plug in. Different adapters are available for the UK market, and these are just a question of 100mm long, and we can put an adapter system on here for any machine that cares to be used. To attach it to the extractor, again, plug into here, large end onto the extraction unit, than the module already be previously fitted to there. So within the Festool system, we have a sander that will suit any type of workshop that is producing items of furniture or joinery. The Lex 3 for static industrial applications, you have a low vibration rating, but you also have a lower running cost as well and lower ergonomic values. So for your risk assessments, it's fantastic. There's an ETS sander, 240, 110 available with a 3mm orbit. Again, low vibration rating, can be used over a prolonged period of time. With an extraction system direct at the source of where the material is coming from, it means that you're working in a clean atmosphere, you're working in a healthy way, and especially with ergonomics as well, to achieve a fine, high quality system. Thank you for watching this presentation. My name's Phil, and I'll see you again.